What's up guys, it's Mila here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some slime. We're going to make purple glow-in-the-dark slime and green glow-in-the-dark slime mix. And some pink, red, and green. And we also have some shaving cream. Let's get started. I'm going to add the glow-in-the-dark last. So I might start the red first. Guys, squeeze it in. There's only a little bit. This is pink. Oh, I didn't show you this, guys, but there's two little activators that this came with. Green one. This one was already open. Comment down below which color do you think is going to end up. It might turn out yellow, greenish yellow. Oh, it's stuck. Ooh. This is hard. I'll put it on top of the bowl. Guys, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Now we're gonna add the shaving cream. I'm gonna add the activator. Now we're gonna mix it up. And mix up with my hand. Nobody has ever done this. I'm the first one to do it. Feels really cool. Slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. I thought I was gonna have a big mess on my hand at the end of this, but it's not so much of a mess. Just a little bit on my arms.
What color did you end up with?
Pinkish white. I'm trying to make a bubble to show you guys. Oh! Comment down below which slime video is your favorite. Whoa! Stay. 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 Ah! Ah! Whoa.
Oh,
Stick to my hand.
Huge bubble. Oh, girl. Oh, no.
Okay, we're going to show you guys a bubble. We're going to make it on the ground with this. Oh! You guys see this? Donut. Oh my gosh, it's still in shape. Don't worry, guys. I swept. Sweeping up or sweeping. I did not sweep over there. I'm gonna get the donut on top. Did you guys see that? Okay, this is not working out too well. What is that, you guys? Oh my gosh, what is that? Now we're gonna do it glow in the dark, guys. Lights out in 3, 2, 1. Look at this guy. It's still not glowing. And like this, you can see it. But like this, you can't. You can't even see me. Can you see that crunchiness? Oh, I hear it. Really crunchy. It feels really crunchy. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so that way you know when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.